Welcome to Amazing Kitchen. So the Lunar New Year is right around the corner and we'll be making a very good dessert that you can have with your friends and family anywhere around the world. So the dessert is a mango pudding topped with a coconut whipped cream. And then we sprinkle over with some pomelo. As you can see, it's beautiful. Okay, we will be using a lot of ingredients that is in season, that is also meaningful for the Chinese New Year. This dessert is very simple. We'll only use a couple ingredients. We have pomelo, which represents prosperity and good health. Coconut, which promotes unity. And we also have mandarin orange, which represents gold and wealth. So if you'd like to know how to make this dessert, continue watching and we'll show you exactly how. It's very straightforward and simple. Okay, so I hope you like what you see in the dessert. Enjoy the dessert with your friends and family. It's very meaningful and refreshing for the Lunar New Year. So I like to wish everyone a happy New Year, a happy Lunar New Year, and 恭喜發財,恭喜發財. So great health and prosperity to everyone that's watching. So until next time, we'll see you again. Bye now. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have, make sure you hit the bell button to be notified when we have a new video posted every week.